Hi everyone, today I'd like to share with you a new hymn, The Gift of Love, which I've been practicing lately. And it needs just sometimes standard chords, C, F, G, A, and D minor. Okay, let's start with the first verse. Let's play through the first verse slowly. We're going to be doing 2 beats for every chord, symbol, or star on the song sheet, and we're going to be strumming the 2 beats in this way. Down, down, up, down. Let's start. Though I may speak with bravest far, and have the gift to all inspire, and have not love, my words are vain as sounding brass and hopeless gain. Now grab your song sheets and let's play through all 3 verses. Though I may speak with bravest far, and have the gift to all inspire, and have not love, my words are vain as sounding brass and hopeless gain. Though I may give all I possess, and striving so my love profess, but not begin my love within, the prophet soon turns strangely thin. Come, Spirit, come, our hearts control, our spirits long to be made whole. Let inward love guide every deed. By this we worship and are free. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this hymn as much as I did. Learn it and sing it, and I'm sure you'll find joy in it. Thank you.